Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the laptop and ensuring a stable power source. This prevents interruptions that corrupt recovery. Once plugged in, quickly back up any unique files to an external drive or cloud, because recovery can erase data. Make sure you know your Microsoft account or product key and have a USB recovery media ready. You can create one from another PC. Now restart and enter the recovery menu. Use F11, F9, ESC, or the Windows recovery environment, depending on your model. You arrive at the recovery options, choose Troubleshoot, then decide between Reset this PC or Advanced options. If Windows won't boot, try Startup Repair first because it fixes boot files without data loss. If you need an older configuration, select System Restore to roll back recent changes. When failures persist, use Reset this PC. Pick Keep My Files to preserve personal data or remove everything to fully reinstall. This clears drivers and apps and often resolves deep software corruption. You complete the reinstall and walk through initial setup, reinstalling drivers and running Windows Update to patch vulnerabilities. This stabilizes performance. Once updated, restore your backed up files and sign into your Microsoft account to recover settings. Make sure to test key functions, Wi-Fi, audio, peripherals, so you catch issues early. If the laptop still fails to boot or shows errors, create a fresh USB recovery on another PC and run diagnostics or check the SSD/H.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.